that the holidays have passed, people like to get started on the indoor projects in their home. Joining us to tell us about the latest products that make those projects easy and safe, we have Skip Bedell, a licensed professional contractor and host of Spike TV's Catch a Contractor. Thanks so much for being on PA Live with us.
Hey, thanks for having me, Haley.
So, Skip, what is one of the first things to consider when planning a do-it-yourself project at home?
Yeah, well, just like the pros, I always tell everybody to start off every project thinking safety first. It's so important to wear proper eye, ear, and respiratory protection for every project you do. And starting off with this respirator from 3M, this is the new 8511. It features this cool flow valve in the front, and that makes it different because it makes less heat buildup inside the mask, making it very comfortable to wear for, all day. Many different projects, sanding, grinding, raking. You can do projects with woodwork indoors or outdoors on the lawn. Mold, pollen, spores, anything that you want to filter out while you're working in or outdoors is a great all-around mask. And then the 8577 is perfect this time of the year for doing indoor painting projects because this has a carbon layer that's great to filter out vapors found in paint and adhesives. And believe it or not, Haley, one of the main things that people don't like to wear the most is what they really need is eye protection, because many times when you put it on, it gets heated up and fogs and you got to take them off. So 3M new Scotch Guard anti-fog eyewear has an answer for that. You can wear these all day. They won't fog up on you. You can wash them multiple times with water, put them back on. They'll stay fog free. They come in gray and clear, so they're very versatile for working indoors or outdoors, giving you that eye protection that's so needed. And lastly, hearing protection is so important when you're working in noisy environments like power tools or lawnmowers. So this is the new WorkTunes Connect. It's hearing protection with noise canceling abilities, but the best part is it has Bluetooth technology. So now when you wear these, it not only gives you the hearing protection, but you can stream your music from your smartphone. You can even answer and make phone calls with a built-in mic. So it's like a twofer. You're getting hearing protection and also that entertainment value and access to your smartphone at the same time. All great products from 3M.
Wow, that sounds awesome. I'm sure my dad would love that. That's a great tool there. What other innovative products do you have this year?
Yeah, so these are great products for DIYers to fix holes in the wall and painting around the house, like this large hole repair. It's high-strength fiber reinforced spackling compound. It'll allow you to patch holes up to 5 inches in diameter, along with this high-strength hole repair plate. You can pass through the hole in the wall, pull it up against the back. Makes it very easy to get professional results repairing damaged walls. And lastly, painting. I tell everyone, the results in painting are all in the preparation. So pro-grade sanding sheets from 3M makes it very easy to get great results. This basically is a non-slip grip sandpaper. It makes it really easy to work on multiple surfaces, wet or dry. And I love their new dust channeling sanding block. This is a sponge with dust channels on one side, smooth on the other. Really great for sanding all types of projects. And lastly, to get great painting results, I love the new Scotch Delicate Surface Painter's Tape. This will allow you to get really crisp paint lines every time. You can put it over things like pre-painted walls, even wallpaper, hardwood floors. You get those crisp marks every time. So professional results from 3M.
I love all those products. Where can we go for more information?
Yeah, check out my website. It's skipbedell.com. I have links to all these great 3M products and many more.
All right. Thanks so much for being on PA Live with us.
Thanks for having me, Eddie.